How to remove suggested on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can remove suggested on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To remove suggested on Messenger is very simple. Whenever you open the Messenger app, then you tap the search bar, a list of suggested contacts are going to show up over here. And if you'd like to remove someone from your suggested, what you can do is simply tap the three lines option there, go to the settings icon, that is the gear icon there. Once you go to gear icon, go to this particular option here known as privacy and safety and tap on it. And once you go to privacy and safety, you will see this type of interface here. And once you've done this, what you have to do, simply look for the option that says hidden contacts. So when you go to hidden contacts, you might have hidden some people before. If you want to hide someone again from your suggested tab, tap on the plus bar, simply select the person you want to hide from your suggested. You can select all, but not all at once, so you have to select them one after the other. So this way you can remove or delete suggested on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.